Here is the excellent VicTsing VPA001B fisheye lens. It's a more traditional fisheye lens. It works very well with the camera and the image quality with it is superb. Today I'm going to look at two slightly different 2-in-1 lenses for camera phones. Now, I've seen several times wide-angle lenses that clip onto camera phones, onto phones with cameras on. But this particular one is a little different because it does two things. It gives you a wide angle and it gives you a macro function. There's a little set of instructions there that tell you how to do it. The lens has two elements. You use both of them for the macro and just one of them for the wide angle function. It also comes with a nice little bag to keep all the bits in, if you're not going to keep them in the box. So let's have a look and see what it does. Here's my camera phone set into camera mode already. Here's my lens. I screw the back bit off. That's the macro lens, and when I add this bit onto the macro lens I get a wide angle lens. So first of all, let's screw the macro lens onto the little clip that holds the thing on the camera. It's worth taking a bit of time to get this right because you don't want to go cross-threading it because you'll damage the little plastic holder. So here we are. There's the camera. Just go back to there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the lens on over the camera like that, and it's quite a good idea, even if you're going to use the wide angle, just put the macro lens on first, because I don't know if you can see it in this film, but you can actually check by looking into the macro lens that you've got the thing in the right place. So here we are, that's the macro function, and you can see I can zoom in on my hand at a distance of about 1.5 inches, which certainly wouldn't be possible without the lens, and I can magnify stuff up. You can see my fingerprints there. I'm sure MI5 will pay you good money for them. So that's the macro function, and I'm just going to screw this one on to get the wide angle function. Look back down towards where my computers and everything are, and that's the wide angle function. You can see it's now focused up. If I just pull this off, you can see the difference. So this lens really does make a huge difference to how much stuff you can see. So here is my lens using its wide angle function. I've just clipped it onto the camera and taking a little bit of film. I'm now going to pull it off so you can see the difference. And that was just putting the lens on and off. I'm just going to film my hand from close up. You can't really see anything very much, and what you can see is very blurry. Now in a moment I'm just going to turn this off. I've popped the macro lens back on now, and you can see that my hand is in sharp focus, about the same distance away as it was before when it was very, very blurry. So that's an excellent device for getting close-up photographs of things you want a nice detailed shot of. So there we are then. There's the lens actually shown sitting on a camera. You can see it's quite big compared to some of the other ones you get. All ready to go there, and you can also see the view through it. That's of course in wide angle mode, and there is another shot of the lens to finish with.